Hi, I'm Eileen Hull. Did you know you can use your dies to cut stencils with? I'm going to show you how. Today we're going to use the journaling cards with hearts and also the Sizzix adhesive sheets. So you can also use die packaging, and I'll talk about that in a minute. What we're going to do is we're going to take a sheet of the adhesive, and this is just a piece of mylar that I found that I happen to have on hand. It's thin. You want to cut something thin because the thinlits only have a short cutting blade. So what you're going to do is just take off the adhesive, and then you're just going to place that on top of your film. And this creates just the perfect combination for me. If you have other products at home that you want to try, I've tried vellum and paper. You can even use paper, but I like this because it lasts a little longer. You can wipe it off. So what we're going to do is get our big shot here, take our cutting pad, set one down, we'll put our sheet down, and then we will get our heart die and place that down on the plastic. Put our other cutting pad on top. I'm using my magnetic platform so it stays nice and tight where you put it. And there you go. You've got this nice stencil. So you're going to pop these out. So you don't have to stop at one pass. You can go ahead and place this and make a larger stencil too for, say, a scrapbook layout or another project that you need a larger stencil for. Okay, also you can use plastic packaging to die cut with your Biggs dies. And what I've done is gone and traced around here so with a permanent marker so it's a little easier to see where it is that you're tracing. So the next thing we're going to do is stencil this little bag for a gift. So I'm just going to come over here. Now when I look at it, this area here is the stencil's a little large for it, so I'm going to take some of this purple tape and just cover that up. So now I have the area that I want to use. And I'm just going to take my Clear Snap inks and I'm going to start stenciling. You want to stay away from any of the pointy areas because that will kind of affect the sponge that you're using. You can use any inks. I like these because they're very subtle. Come out with a very soft little heart stencil. But are you ready? Isn't that cute? There you go. Here are some other ways that you can use dies as stencils. I've taken a journal and just used these as basically tracers and gone around the edges and then used them to doodle designs with, and then I colored in with my Copic markers. So there's so many ways that you can use these as stencils in addition to cutting your shapes for your cards and other projects.